How to log into Google Pay after resetting your phone. What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily log into Google Pay after your phone has been reset. So the very first thing you want to do here is open up your Google Pay or Wallet application, and it will automatically ask you to choose a Google account that you want to continue on with. If you don't see a Google account here, you first have to add it to your phone. So I'll just select my Google account here. Once you have selected your account, you can just tap on View Wallet, and it will show you all of your available cards in your wallet. You can allow the notification if you want and add a shortcut as well. But I'm not going to do any of that, so I'll just keep on logged in. Now, once you log into your account, you can add cards, manage your cards, and payments from here. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.